Hi, my name is Patch. I'm the new captain aboard Zero, even though Christian doesn't know yet, but I'm in charge now. It was on Christmas Eve when I saw Christian at the lumber store, and I took my chance and ran into his heart. So he could not resist but rescuing me.
You want to live on the boat?
I lost my mom and my siblings and never met my dad. So I was alone, and being just 6 weeks old and alone is not good. And I was in a bad condition when Christian picked me up and showed me my new home aboard Zero. But now I'm regaining strength and feel a little better every day. So the reason why I'm telling you is that I ordered Christian to take care of me and play with me all the time, so he doesn't have any time to edit another episode for his YouTube channel. Sorry guys, you gotta wait. It's my time now. You asking how I could get in control so quick? Come on, I'm the cutest thing on earth.